Hi everyone. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you, or show you, of how to block Mikrotik other users, or clients from accessing your internet router. This is very easy and quick guys. Just follow me. So now, let's start. For example, this is the default gateway, or IP address of my internet router. And I don't want to have access other users or clients, accessing my internet router, from my Mikrotik router. I'm gonna show you now, of how to prevent, or block Mikrotik other users, or clients accessing your default gateway of your internet router, and only you, or only your device can have access on your internet router, or ISP. Let's open the Winbox, and log in to your Mikrotik router. Once you already log in, go to Firewall. Click the add sign. In General, select Forward in Chain. In Destination Address, enter the default, or IP address of your ISP router. In Protocol, select TCP. In Action, select Drop. I'm gonna input comment to avoid config confusion. This is optional. Once you're done, just click Apply, and OK. So now, let's try, if it will work. Let's open again our favorite browser, and type the default IP address of your ISP router. Here it is friends, it's working. And now, if we want to access your ISP router, using only your device within Mikrotik router. I'm using my laptop and currently connected to my Mikrotik router using LAN cable. Let's open the command prompt on our PC. Just type the IP config, just like this, to see the IP address that are assigned with our device. You can also direct to your Mikrotik, under DHCP server and IP leases. Now, input the IP address that are assigned with your device in source address. And put exclamation mark into source address to accept this IP address from blocking. Once you're done, just click Apply, and OK. So now, let's check guys. Here it is, friends. It's working. So, that's it of how to block Mikrotik other users or clients from accessing your internet router.
That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.